It's unusual that we didn't start from an introduction, but we started from a play. Guess what I was playing with? It starts with a B and ends with a G. You guessed it correct! It's a boomerang. To do this, we need a piece of paper and a scissor and a tape. Alright, I have a scissor and some tape. Alright, let's do the boomerang. First, fold the paper into an half. Then it should be equal. Now flip it over like this. Then do this. Fold it again in a half. Do the same in the other side. We do this now. Then fold it into an half. We open it. And you see you have a crease here, and press on it. And your paper should be like this now. Then fold it like this. Then do the same thing again. Then fold it like this here. And you should see there is like this, something there, a triangle. Now we are into the part to put tape. Cut some tape. Put the tape like this around. Now it should be like this here. And do the same in this side too. Should be like this now, and your boomerang is ready now. You can throw it and test it. It takes only a couple of minutes to make this. You could throw it and it will come back. This is an outdoor boomerang, mostly used by ancient people to hunt animals. It's also mentioned in Sangam Tamil literatures like Purananuru. Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe my channel.